Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are all doing great. Juma Mubarak. Please open your workbook, English Across World workbook, page number 6. Today we will be doing our workbook work. So the chapter name is A World of Adventures. Okay. Look at this picture below and talk about a partner about the oceans of the world. Research with your partner about which one oceans of the world are warm and which ones are cold. So they are the name of the oceans over here: Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Indian Ocean, and Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. So your task is that you have to find out which ocean is warm and which ocean is cold. So now let's do reading comprehension. So this is a passage on page number 7. Read the following passage from the famous novel Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe and answer the questions below. Okay? You have to read this passage. Yes. Now I guess you have done with the reading of this passage. Now let's do its comprehension questions. These are questions over here that I have done for myself. So you are supposed to find the answer of these questions from this passage. It's very easy. आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, एक सवाल पढ़ना है. What was the state of the sea when the day broke? Like क्या कंडीशन थी जब डे स्टार्ट हुआ, तो सी की क्या कंडीशन थी? When the day came, the sea was quiet. The sea was quiet. This is the answer. इसी तरह आपने ये सब सवालात अपने solve करने हैं. And okay, so now let's do this part on page number 9. Choose the most suitable pronouns to fill in the sentence. You know what are pronouns? Pronouns are the word that you instead of noun. ठीक है? Like Ali is a good boy. Boy, he is sometime lazy. So Ali is a noun, and he is a pronoun. So what are pronouns? Pronouns क्या होते हैं? He, she, it, they, him, his, her, etc. So what are pronouns? The words used instead of noun are pronouns. So now let's solve this. Choose the most suitable pronoun to fill in the sentences. The snow was fluffy like fluffy cotton ball. The snow was like fluffy cotton ball. So how we can replace the noun with pronoun? The word we can use it over here. So as we know that it's a fluffy cotton ball, we will use it. It was like fluffy cotton balls. It. You have to write it over here. Agatha was a leopard at the show. So Agatha is the name of a person. So we will use he was. He was a leopard at the show. Asghar dashed like an arrow through fog. So Asghar is the name of person, so we use pronoun he. He dashed. Time is a thief. You know time is a thief, so it is a thief. It. The storm raged like a charging bull. So the storm, we will use it. The wind howled like a wolf. So it howled like a wolf. So you have to solve on your workbook and solve these questions by your own self by using this paragraph on your workbook. So the other part is that the word is stage. It is stage. The classroom is zoo. It is zoo. The tea was cold as ice. So you know what's the term is we have used over here? We use simile, as cold as ice. So this is it was, it was. Iman was as fast as cheetah. So this is also a simile. So she was. Farak Sher's voice is smooth as butter. His voice is smooth as butter. Reena's smile was bright as the sun. Her smile was bright as the sun. Alauddin's voice was music to my ear. So his voice was music to my ears. So you have to do this.